Hi everyone, this is Yad from Giga Productions. Here is the last moment with my previous camera, Canon EOS 1DX Mark III. I recently just stopped with it. It was a fantastic camera. I had a great days with it, but it's a little bit heavy. The body self is just 1 kilo 50, so that was a little bit too much for me even when I am traveling. So I decided to buy a new camera, or just sell that camera and get a new camera. So I decided, and I looked so much online, and I found the perfect choice for me, the Canon EOS R5 C. Why is this particular camera? Because first of all, it supports the cinematic line from Canon, and I'm looking recently, or I'm doing recently also a podcast, or a podcast called in Dutch Hoe de Floreren, or in Arabic كيف أثمر, and I need something just to remain recording maybe 2 hours, less than that also. So the perfect choice, I had many choices, R10, R8, all these. I will put a link for a helpful website that you can see all the cameras that support recording for more than 2 hours, and I found that it's really the perfect one. So R5C, because it supports video, and also you can make photos with it. So recently they are calling photo online or on YouTube still. So I'm also new with this word. So but as you see, it's much it's much lighter than 1DX Mark III. This weight around 600 gram, and also it's nice. It supports video. You can see it support video because of the lights when you are turning it on. It supports also a lot of features, as I mentioned. You can also do videos with it. The price of it, unfortunately, it's not so cheap. It's around 4,500 euro here in Europe. I'm just doing now unboxing for it. The review about it will be later. Here you can see all the inputs or the outputs about this camera: audio, video. Unfortunately, it has also micro HDMI. So here also you have the time code if you want to just record or use more than one camera at the same time. So it has also, and this is also for the timer remote for any DSLR camera or any usual camera. I don't know what is this. So this is when you just open the door of the battery, you can find this input. But if you know what is this, just let me know. I couldn't find it in the guide menu. As you see here, also the strip of the camera. It's not something like unique, like 1DX Mark III or maybe any another cameras. Sometimes they come with a red color or gold color, but this is just all black. Unfortunately, the battery of it is not like the 1DX Mark III. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please give a like, share, subscribe, and see you with the next video.